Straight lines are important, and today we're gonna look at 5 exercises that will help you improving yours. My name is Nesbert. I used to be a lake monster at Loch Ness, and now I teach art. Okay, to get started, we're gonna do a super easy but also super helpful exercise. Grab yourself a ruler and draw a straight line on the paper. Alternatively, you can download this exercise sheet from my website, link in the description below. From there, all you want to do is just trace the lines, and you will immediately see when they're not straight, like here. Make sure to repeat this for all kinds of angles and length of line, and draw over the same line again and again. And what will this do? Well, it will help you build muscle memory. This exercise is, by the way, also great to find recurring patterns in your mistakes. As you can see here, my lines in this angle kinda drift first left and then right. And this here is how your sheet could look like at the very end. This is, by the way, a great exercise to do every now and then. For the next exercise, we want to start with a bunch of dots on a paper, and then we proceed to connect them. This exercise will really help you to draw freehand lines. That's why also you should do all different kinds of angles and length, just like before. Your result should look somewhat like this. And again, this is a good exercise that you can do randomly throughout the day, because all you really need is a piece of paper and your pen. By the way, this is episode 1 of our Fundamentals series. More episodes will be coming in the next few weeks. If you don't want to miss any, click subscribe down below. I call this exercise parallel madness because it can truly drive you mad. The idea for this one is that you draw a bunch of squares and then apply parallel hatching for each one of them. Use different angles for each one. Some of the mistakes you can make here are that your lines do not touch the border properly or that they're not evenly spaced. And this is how your result could look like. If you recognize which ones of the square is really badly drawn here, leave a comment down below. Now for this exercise, we draw a big square. Then we divide one of the edges in half and we repeat the same thing on all 4 sides. Once we're done with that, we continue by dividing each one of the halves again. Of course, you should not use a ruler here, but use your eye for distance. This will train your eye and your ability to get proportions right. Once you're done with that, start drawing another square that's rotated onto the quarter points. And then you start the whole process again for the square that you've just drawn. This is one of the hardest exercises on our lists, because each small mistake just keeps stacking up. The last exercise is again one that is great to do randomly throughout the day. Just draw cubes. Draw them in all kinds of angles, perspectives and proportions. And in case you haven't noticed yet, all exercises so far have been building up to this one, because it's a really important one. And that's because cubes are the basic construction element for anything we're drawing. From cubes we can construct things like cylinders or spheres in 3D, which again help us construct anything else. But this will be the topic of one of our future episodes. But for now, all I can say is, that's it! I hope this was helpful for you. So keep practicing, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next episode. Bye!